A right to buy mortgage is simply a mortgage that you take out when you're buying your property from your local authority, usually like your local council. So you've been a tenant for a number of years, and you can make an application on the council's website or the local authority website to see if you can buy that property. The length of time that you've been there determines how much discount that you've got. So it accrues at maybe 1% per year. So when you put your application in, the authority will say, right, based on that many years as a tenant, your purchase price is X. So you normally have to be a tenant for, say, 3 years, 5 years. The rules change as the years go by, and different governments are in charge, because the rules tend to change depending on whether the government is red or blue. Whatever discount you're entitled to there acts as your deposit. So you don't actually have, it's one of the rare occasions where you don't have to put any hard cash down as a deposit in order to purchase a property, because obviously it can be difficult to save whilst you are renting. So that council discount acts as your deposit. No cash has to go down. All you have to do is find money for fees. In addition to that, you can sometimes, with some lenders, borrow extra money for home improvements. So if you want to improve the windows, put new front and back doors on the property, get some estimates for those, and potentially you can borrow extra money for that as well. Obviously, you can't sell the house straight away. You've got to retain the property in your ownership for a number of years, otherwise you'll have to pay back some of the discount to the council. So the council retain what's called a legal charge on your property. So if you want to borrow those extra funds for the home improvements, the solicitor has to request, the council puts a postponement of that charge on to seek permission for you to do those works. The names on the right to buy papers normally have to match the name on the mortgage application. Name on the mortgage application matches the name on the deeds as well. So if you're not earning enough to do the application in your own name, then potentially you can add a family member onto that, but only with the permission of the council if they add that family member onto the right to buy application as well. Thanks for watching the video. We do rely on user-generated content, so please subscribe if you found the information useful, and send me a question in the comments below, or drop me an email and I'll do my best to answer it.